Come to this side. Right here. No, wait until him reach right here, sir. Please. Please. Right to some G. All right, introduce yourself. Jeez.
Papa, I couldn't bring a girl my family. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My mother would have run me out here. The pants front look flat. And a jacket and a thin material. I'm supposed to set my print out. Nothing and print out.
Okay, you're not turn me on. If you turn me on, that's something else.
Well, uncle. That woman there and I see no attorney. I know.
I popped for one simple reason, and that is that I don't like tattoos. Not one, not 100. I just don't like tattoos in general. But I think he's really cute.
A white girl, I'm like, me not really run with the black girl, you know what I mean? But that me I did.
Him coulda do look better for company show and come out again. Me I say, I not really judge him still. I find fit. I not judge the dog still. But Uncle Wilbert coulda do better still. All awkward. Me not judge a fit nor no. Big yeah 4 out of 10. Uncle Wilbert.
Your name Uncle Wilbert?
Super.
Novo Pandora.
Yo, I the next pop the balloon our friend love females, you ready? No. Females, you ready? Yo, I'm in Portland, people. Yo, Portland is like vacation. When I'm here, I don't want to leave. It feel like it's a holiday, okay? Mirage Studios. This is the place that I'm at. People, if you don't want to know the best photography, Mirage Studios. You see it? AC book, everything nice, quality picture. You know the thing. Make sure to leave a like. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Send kids. We feel like it in the line, you know. Send Vincent. I'm coming like next week, okay? Trinidad, I'm coming like next week, okay? So look out, make sure to link up any business inquiry. Link me on my Instagram, no man. Watch no man, Canada. Cats out the bag, no. Watch it, it's simple, ladies. Once a male walk in and you don't like him, you pop your balloon, okay? Okay? Okay, if you like him, okay? If you like him and you dig him, you want to, chill out and think, you keep your balloon, okay? All right, make sure we get 10,000 likes for this, okay? When I don't know, got the night like all the time, chips. Banana chip! Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. All right, ladies, so it's the beginning of something beautiful, I must say. You guys, I need enough to rate the lineup. Out of 10, one thing, Portland. Portland, can I get some scream? Woo! All right, so Portland females are here. So I'm wanting to rate the lineup. Big up everybody who come out and think. I don't know, comment below which parish we are left. We are trying our best for us. Got every parish, I don't know, but we need gas, like somebody. My PayPal there below. I want my comments, I want my walk, You never know. All right, then we're sending the first mail. Are you guys ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. Send him in. Send the first mail for me now. All right, they're right here, sir. All right, so wait until him. Can we wait until he's right here? We're going to wait until, okay. Come to this side. Right here. Whoa. We could have waited until he's right here. Oh, introduce yourself. Come over, man. Introduce yourself.
Good night. Yeah, I'm Dancer King. Yeah. From Roots 21. We got myself. So you tattoo them. Yeah, my bad friend them, Peter Dindin. Yeah, we agree with it, man.
Oh yeah, one dancer.
Yeah.
All right then.
In, man.
What type of work you do? Or dancing?
Yeah, I do dancing work, yes. More time. Get date for all bedroom style, Freaky style,
Yeah. Dancing?
Yeah, so I got the bedroom style, woman invited them home.
Oh, so like an escort.
Yeah, just give them sit down pan and give them things. Yeah.
Okay. So, he's an escort. Okay. So we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Shout out to social.
Yeah, my social. Yeah, yes, underscore. Yeah. Everything come down. Yeah.
All right then. Who you want to start with first?
Start she.
She right here. All right, come to this side. All right, so. All right. Your name, why you pop the balloon, and social.
Okay, social underscore Momo underscore universe. So you can find me on all platform Momo Universe. What the next question?
And why you pop your balloon?
Why I pop the balloon? He's definitely a cool guy because I know him, but I don't like the tattoo thing.
Oh yeah, what, too much tattoo?
Yeah, too much tattoo, but him humble as me say. Very.
All right, based on him appearance though, how much you da rate him from 1 to 10?
For him swag and everything, I don't know, a Jamaica would grow, so 10.
10? Oh, you give him a 10 out of 10?
Yeah, we give him a 10, man. Dog swaggy.
All right, my G. What you think about her based on her appearance?
Yeah, for your appearance, assurance, yeah, me rate her appearance because, I like how she dress, everything neat, and I think the way she have her make sure her booty just bood out,
Boot out.
That's, yeah.
All right, good?
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right, come down to this side. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Brenna, social one and only body rider. Escort him out of stew. Them say my escort him out of stew. Escort him.
Oh, you pop your balloon because he's an escort?
And you look humble. Your voice no match your appearance cause how you look you don't sound like how you look. That up. Papa, I couldn't bring a girl my family. Yeah. That's sorry. I'm sorry. My mother would have run me out here. Yeah. No, escort him.
Your mother would have run him out?
Then Rolly. Otherwise, he's alright.
Oh, but your mother would approve him?
No.
All right, how much you da rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Easy stop wear.
Easy.
But you know what that? Easy.
Oh, the Nike here?
Okay.
The Nike here.
How much you da rate him?
4.
4 out of 10?
For the personality, 4.
Oh, but 0 for the looks? Okay. All right then. Based on her appearance, what you think about her?
Well, my tattoo them cool to my family, but our piercing would hurt. So our appearance, no.
Oh, so how much you da rate her?
But I reckon my mother you do now. No, 0. Nothing.
0 out of 10?
Yeah, 0. That thing. Her tongue bore and she says like a freaky thing. I don't know.
Where's about freaky?
Oh, but you say escort me out and good thing. You can't escort me out. You heard them say freaky.
Oh.
Escort me nothing more.
All right. Come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon, and what's your social?
So my name is Laura. I actually was not sure about it because he looks really nice and kind person, but I don't like that much tattoos, but just that's the only thing.
Oh, the tattoos.
Yeah.
Oh, you like a little bit?
I like a little bit, but I don't like in the face. But he was like really nice, so I was not like.
Okay. All right, no problem. How much would you rate him though, out of 10?
I don't know. I mean, like just physique.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's like 6, 7.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay. All right then. Based on her appearance, my G, how much would I rate her?
Yeah, for your appearance, my friend. Look, you are 3. Yeah, 3. Yeah, 3 for her.
I don't know.
Okay, you understand what he said? All right, so he's saying based on your appearance, he would give you 3 out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, all right. And why you get her 3?
You know, first thing must stay on food block still. I'm kind of girl that get glass thing and them something there. Kind of carry me out still, see it. So
You like a girl when I wear glass?
no more, I can't judge you good, but if I have a glass, I get some look right, huh?
Okay, all right. Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let's go down the line. Your name, social, and why you pop your balloon?
Okay, so my name is Shanika. My social is Nika Baby 55. That's TikTok. My Instagram is _that_ Nika.
And why you pop your balloon?
He's just not my type. Him cool and everything, but he's just not my type.
It's not your type.
No.
All right. And based on its appearance, though, what you think about it?
Give him 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Yeah.
All right, my G. What you think about that?
I like her appearance still, and I like the thing she have on, you know? Because I work with that color there for a long time. Too.
The color.
Yeah, the PMP color. Yeah, man, you know watch something about it, you know? So, I'll give you an 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Thanks.
What a feel color.
All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon, and your social?
Hi, I'm Chrissy. You can find me on Instagram as Classic Dog Chrissy. The reason pop my balloon. I could carry you home. My mother, my auntie, my granny would have beat me out of the house. They would have fling it down a bottom road on your head. That's all. That's me.
Oh, so you would have bring him home?
Your mother?
You would have proud for bring him home?
Really, you sick?
No, I don't have a fever.
Mm-mm.
All right, so based on him appearance, though, how much would you rate him?
0 and deserve a 0.
Who?
Me not care if him want to bring me down, him deserve the 0.
All right. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Alright, for her appearance, and when she attack, she has her appearance, you know, she don't talk about herself, you know. 'Cause things can go on
I
the road,
respect my
but-
parents, them.
but things can go on the road, but here, you know. Cause be a whole woman looking for somebody, you know, cause I be appearance looking for somebody, so here, for your appearance now, bang, bang. I give you a 6.
Good?
You give me 0, I give you a 6, right?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, cause your mind did it, but you have to have appearance.
I respect my parents.
All right. Good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, coming to this side. Hi.
Hi.
Your name, why you pop your balloon, and what's your social?
So my name is Irene, and I popped for one simple reason, and that is that I don't like tattoos. Not 1, not 100. I just don't like tattoos in general. But I think he's really cute, but I just don't like tattoos. So that's the only reason
Or you don't like tattoos?
at all.
Even one.
Not even one. I really don't like it.
Oh, so is the face tattoo too much?
Oh, I think it's too much, but it's tattoos in general that I don't like. So that's why. Even if he only had one, I would have still popped. That's a no thing for me. So yeah.
All right, so based on his appearance, though, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Well, I think he's cute, but 6.5. But yeah, the tattoo thing is 6.5.
6.5. My G. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Well, to what she just say, and rare, for your appearance, yeah.
I feel kind of judged.
But no, it's just still, you know? You're cute, so I'll give you a 6, but no, just 6. Yeah.
Okay, you understand?
Yeah, 6. I get it.
All right. Good. All right. Come on to the side. Your name, why you pop a balloon, and what's your social?
Hi, my name is Viviana. Same as for social. You're very nice, but I also don't really like tattoos, and maybe not my style. Like the style of your hair.
Or you don't like his hairstyle?
Yeah.
Why? What's wrong with it?
Just not the style I like. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So based on his appearance, though, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I would say 5.
I think both are based on her appearance.
Yeah, for your appearance now, it's going to me, say. Okay. I'll give a different settings. You don't like tattoo, right?
Yeah, not
You
that
don't like
much.
Madrid. Right?
Mm.
Okay. I like Madrid, right? I take care of Madrid. I did Madrid myself. Yeah. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, assume now, because probably if you're judging what I say, boy, girls are play up in your youth, the ear and rear. Oh, you know, you girls, you know, you white girls don't like someone with hairstyle, because that's a different man. I do. Different woman do the hairstyle. So watch
You
out.
understand?
No.
You don't understand?
No, sorry.
All right.
He's saying
So what you
basically.
know?
Okay.
Like, I think we have on this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like your top. I'm like your shoes. I'm like your voice. Your voice different from your two friend them. Your two friend them.
Uh-huh.
But then I'm gonna think me not really like a kind of short white girl them. Them like more high up, right? Yeah. I'm like your 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
You
Okay.
understand that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, come down to this side, YG. Alright, so everybody pop their balloon. So you know what you have to do, right? Walk with grace, my G. What do you guys think about the lineup? I want you to tell me when everybody come in, and please rate the lineup. Like the guys that are coming in, I want you to just, from a scale of 1 to 10, say, let me know if I did my due. Okay? Oh, shoot. Come on. Don't judge me yet. Please, don't judge me yet. Bring in the next meal for me now, please. Come to this side. The mic. Come to this side. He not introduce himself. Come. Introduce yourself.
All right, Nicardo, sales manager at Nav Auto Sales Limited. Remember, link us anytime for the best discounts and deals. We work 25 year 366. So if you pull up in the office tomorrow, still I go do there, right? So if you need a car, link me. If you don't have a driver's license and don't want to connect, can sort out that too.
Okay. All right. So you want sales rep.
Sales manager.
Oh, use the mic here.
Sales manager.
Manager. All right then. And what's your type?
Well, me really go for character and personality, so let's see.
Oh, so it's not looks.
No, not necessary.
So them not have no looks.
No, you have to have, first you have to have the physical attraction.
Okay.
But you go beyond that.
Okay, I appreciate that. All right then. All right. So, and what's like your pet peeves? Like, what's a turn off when it comes onto a female?
Somebody who don't have no drive or no ambition, when don't know where them see themselves in a life,
All right, cool. But all right, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Ready?
No problem.
All right, want to start with right here? All right, come to this side, Moji. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Money, pop the balloon because he's definitely not my type.
Not your type.
No.
All right, so if him approach you out a road, like, would you have given him a chance though?
All depends on what him say, All depends.
Oh, so it's basically him appearance today.
Yeah, I'm swag already.
Well, that not really matter. Normally, me I'm a long sleeve and my tie, but I'm a day off. But I go work same way, because I tell you, 25 years, 366. Remember, I'm money no sleep,
Based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
I want 4.
She wants some glasses.
Yeah?
4.
4 out of 10? Why you not like about him though?
Him chat too much.
Sales manager, I get paid for talk, so.
As me say, him chat too much.
All right, based on fair appearance, what do you think about her?
All right.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
3.
And she all right?
Remember, say it is subjective, not objective.
All right then, cool. You cool?
Now ask me how much me rate.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
0. Said it already.
All right, Ben. Yeah? Cool. Among to this side. Your name? Why pop your balloon?
Shanika is not my type.
Not your type. What's your type?
Really?
I just say I question me have to ask you. He's not your type, but what's your type?
Very
All right, so based on his appearance, though, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Him can take a 5.5 still.
5.5?
Yeah, him cool.
All right, based on her appearance, what do you think about it?
I give her back a 5.5, man. She good.
Code.
Yeah.
She good, man.
All right, down to this side. Your name? Why pop your balloon?
Chrissy is okay, but
All right, based on him appearance, though, what do you think about it?
him look alright. I can give him a 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
All right, my G, what do you think about her appearance?
She look nice. Nice little dress. Neat, nice complexion. She nice, man. When you're ready for your license or your drive, just give me a link. We get a discount.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Remember, if I nav auto, wrong auto. So if you go somewhere else and get your foot broke, we have to go fault you.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
7.5.
7.5. All right, my G. Come down to oh, we got a pop? All right, come down to this side. All right, then. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Brianna. Alright, he look like the type of person. Well, not even look. Based on how him talk, my God, guy me I know say alright then. Sex for money. By the time him don't talk me up, me nobody want no money.
Oh.
He's that persuasive, yeah. Next thing, him don't look like him a carry nothing.
What you mean? Oh, like phone? Look like him not on a phone?
Pants front look flat.
Him pants, what?
Look flat. Nothing. Yeah. And a jacket and a thin material, I'm supposed to something I print out. Nothing I print out.
Okay, you not turn me on. If you that turn me on, I just see something else.
Well, uncle. Other woman there and me not see no attorney and me no know. Anyway,
Well, no worry.
that's that. Apart from that,
As me tell you, call center them deadly, so just stay far. See, the first thing we come to her,
How much should I rate him?
2 for effort. For true. He put something together.
And 2 because you can't see him print. Because him not on a phone, him not carrying a phone.
And yeah.
as me tell you, call center girl them different in enough phone them talk pan.
All right?
But this is something I swing. You could have bring up a scale, but
All right, my G. What do you think about her based on her appearance? Come in.
I mean, she alright too. Like the pullover, she alright. Like the hair, she alright.
Based on her, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
The call center thing kinda make the numbers on the scale now show, you know. So from here call center, it just gone in a negative.
Negative what?
I'm not even sure. You know when the scale get error like on the calculator? Yeah.
All right. Come down to this side. All right, so every female without a balloon, walk with grace, woman, please. Please. This side. All right, my G. 3 females didn't pop their balloon. What you have to do right now, I'm going to allow you to pop 1. One female, and then we're going to see which chemistry you end up with, okay? Give me a pick.
Whoa.
This is a pop 1 female.
Right now, this harder than it is for sell the carry now. We sell the carry them very easy because 15 gone for a week, 3 more before we go sleep. But Jano.
Huh? Who's going to be?
My Lord, oh my Lord. Why? This rough in a roll, like I trade them beautiful, you know.
All right.
Hold on.
He's saying it's kind of hard. Yeah, it's a rough decision.
All right,
yeah.
All right, let me see now. Why this rough? No hard feelings. Don't take anything personally, right? So, I never want to do it. I not even want to do it.
Wait. All right, my G, come. Your name is?
Laura.
All right, why did you pop her balloon?
The thing now, Laura seem, like a bit, she's nice, innocent, but seem like, your personality might not match. Because my spirit kind of have a hopeful vibe, very enthusiastic, very energetic, so it might not gel well, But she's nice, relaxed, and cool, I like that, though.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10, though?
I give her a 7.
7 out of 10. What do you think about him? Why didn't you pop your balloon?
Because I think he looks like nice, and yeah, that's. I mean, I don't know him yet, so and I will never know him. So.
Okay, I understand.
Well, if you're in the island, you need a driver's license
But
still. You can
I
connect
like
up.
the compliment because I think that what he said in the end it's a compliment. But I also like that he doesn't know me, so he doesn't. I mean, I'm quite innocent, but maybe not.
Not that much.
Not that much.
Okay.
So appearance is not all. So
Yeah.
All right, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
7, it's fine.
7. And what about her?
Yeah, man, 7. Let me tell you
7.
earlier.
All right, then. All right, so you have to walk with grace, okay?
Big up yourself, though, Laura, you know?
All right. So right now, you have a choice to ask him a question, and we're gonna see if there's a chemistry so that we can find out if it's a match, okay? What's the question for him?
What's the first thing you look in a girl?
As I said, it depends on the personality.
Once you know her, like what's like a quality that you really appreciate?
Ambition and drive.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Fair enough.
me see myself very far in life, you know. I have a lot of big goals, so you're supposed to have a woman that can support that, you know. And now I get insecure when you pursue your ambitions.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
All right? All right, come down to this side. What's the question for him?
So since you're that ambitious, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years from now, the company is supposed to do exports right around the Caribbean. 10 years from now, right around the world.
Okay.
We already sell vehicles right all over the island. We're gone 15 already for a week. Now, so you go, boss? Yeah, 15 already for a week. I'm going to go 3 more before I go to sleep.
Good luck.
Yeah, man.
All right. All right, so you guys asked him a question. Are you satisfied with his answer?
I like his answer, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so you're not gonna pop your balloon? Okay. My G, your choice right now to ask them a question, and you're gonna eliminate one based on the answer, okay? So ask the question importantly.
All right.
Yeah.
What kind of qualities you like in a man and where you see yourself 5 years from now?
Okay, the qualities that I like are a guy that knows what he wants and a guy that is self-aware and that is independent. I really appreciate that. And that is ambitious, of course. And a kind guy, that's very important. Maybe the most important thing. And where I see myself, well, I see myself where I am right now. So doing my job that I'm really satisfied about. So, yeah.
What's the job?
I'm an ophthalmologist, a doctor.
Nice.
So I really like that, yeah. And I see myself
Nice,
do
man.
that in 5 years.
Ambitious and driven, man. Ambitious and driven, like that.
Yeah, so I'll
Okay.
do that in 5 years.
Yeah. All right. Going on to this side. What's the question for her?
Same question, you know.
So what I look in a guy is more the ambitious. I have to say, I like someone that does know what want in his life as much as I do, and the freedom he has to travel. Because what I see myself in 5 years is keeping traveling in nice new countries.
Makes sense. Right, that adventurous spirit, like that.
All right. Yeah, ask a question, right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna pop one female balloon? It's up to you right now because they're keeping theirs. So you're gonna pop one female balloon. Who's gonna be? Come closer. Who's gonna be,
Right
Maggie?
now, rolling me stuck between a rock and a hard place.
I don't know how that feel. Yes,
Difficult, you know.
difficult.
Yeah.
All right then. All right, who's gonna be?
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Left or right, and both of them right, so I'm not even sure.
Whoa, that's a compliment. Okay.
Oh my lord. Why that one here rough, you know?
What's hard about the decision though?
No, because the two of them ambitious and driven and them goal oriented, free spirited, adventurous. Me like that. So like two of them give very good answers to the both questions.
All right.
Whoa.
You want one like a brainstorm question then? For pair it off?
All right.
Just a brainstorm question.
All right, let me give them something else.
Yeah.
Something else. You see yourself being by the side of and supporting a person who is very ambitious and driven and think you could work with that, the long work hours, even though the money that make up time for the vacations and the dates and the trips and stuff like that?
If I see myself support my man, yes, I do. But I also want the same because I'm also an ambitious person. So I also want him to support me with whatever I do. So I think it goes both ways.
Definitely, physically, mentally, financially, socially, all of them.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Same question.
Same question for you.
Yeah, but I'm afraid the answer is going to be very, very similar. So as much as this person is supporting me without trying to be superior than me, but we are both level, I'm more than supportive.
You get the answer?
I get the answer. Really.
All right, my G. All right. So
Tougher now. It's even tougher now.
oh, that's what you were saying?
Yeah.
All right. What's your answer, my G?
Can I have both?
Yeah? You want to have both?
Remember, we are come from Africa, you know. King Solomon and David, you know. King Solomon and David, remember?
Huh?
We agree.
Yeah, me can't work. Really, me love that. King Solomon and David.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
God. Oh my Lord.
All right. So what's the choice? You want to have two of them? But
Can,
huh?
yeah.
And then you can take a decision later on.
I mean, the three of us can get to know each other. No problem.
The three of us, and then he chooses.
Yeah.
Huh?
He can have both, and then we get to know each other.
The office,
No. I mean, we can get to know each other later on.
The office is nearby, you know, so you can stop at the car mart at any time. Stop at the dealership, and we can talk, you know.
Okay.
Oh, so you guys done that before?
No.
And give me
No, that was a joke. Like, it was really a joke.
Okay.
So you have to choose one.
Lord of mercy. Yo, that's a roughest decision this make for a week, you know.
Okay. All right. So you pop her balloon. Why did you pop it?
It's not even, you know, because it's a hard decision for me.
Just
They have
guess.
to make a choice. I just make a guess because it two of them wonderful. So,
Thank you.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her 8.
8 out of 10. What do you think about him?
7 enough.
7 enough. All right, then. You don't have a balloon, so walk with grace for me now, please. Thank you. All right, so you guys ask every question there is. I want to know. Come down more. All right, so you guys ask the question, and I can see and feel the chemistry. So I want to find out, is this a match for you guys? Like, is this a match for you?
Might be. I mean, have to know him, but might be.
Is this a match for you?
Yeah, man, we can get to know her some more.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
All right, is this a match for you?
Yes.
Yes, it's a match?
Yes.
It's a match?
Yes.
It's a match! Oh, we have a match! Oh, huh?
No pop.
No pop. Whoa. All right, so this is a match. Oh, good. Yeah. All right, so this is a match. On this episode, what we're going to do, we're going to ask you a question as a female. You know love and money are the most common thing in the world. So I'm going to ask you, are you willing to pursue this love, or you want to get rich today? If you are willing to risk it all and get rich, this cannot be a match.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
No, I don't want to risk it all.
You don't want to risk it all?
No.
You want to keep the match?
Yeah.
You want to keep the match?
I'll keep the match.
100,000, you know.
Yeah, 100%.
All right. It's a match! Let's go! Ooh! All right. Walk with grace now. That is it. God night, you know. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. All right, so people, we are sending the next man. Are you ready? We're going to send in the next guy?
Yeah.
All right, then. Bring him in. No, wait until him reach right here, so. Please. Please. Right to some G. All right, introduce yourself. Jeez. Work with me.
Night, ladies. Well, a Kenzie, you know.
All right, then. Shout out your social.
Kenzie_Dogo.
All right. What's your type, so Kenzie?
You know what I say? A white girl, them like, you know. Me a racist. A white girl, them like.
So, why, you know, what you mean?
A white girl, them like. Me not really run with the black girl, them. You know what I mean? I that me I did.
So all of the black girl, you know, want in that lineup? Talk to me now.
Please. Just let me. You can talk to them. Hello?
We don't want to find out why them why.
No, me no want to find out.
Father!
Come to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Pop a balloon because I'm a dog that. Yeah.
Are you a friend?
Yeah, I'm a friend.
How much should I rate him?
10 me I give me dog, man. 10 out of 10 for my dog.
Based on her appearance?
A 10 out of 10 for Momo. It's a universe that my friend.
No joke.
All right. Who else?
She want to talk to she though.
Alright.
Why you
Hold
pop the
on.
balloon?
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Shanika. I'm a dog.
Oh, your friend. Friend zone.
Friend him.
Alright.
Friend zone
How
him.
much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
10 out of 10, man. The dog thing tough. No joke. It's not joke.
Based on her appearance, what you
10
think?
out of 10. Mama foot small. But you know, a white girl, them kind of like.
You just said the white girl, so you know what? You're going to... Alright.
No, she, them, girl, them.
Yo, come to the side there. Why you pop your balloon?
Let me have no reason.
You know the reason?
Yeah.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
7.
7 out of 10. And based on fair appearance?
I don't like that boy. Oh, you just say you don't pop your balloon for no reason. You just pop your balloon.
Because you just depend on it. I see the white girl, you know, take her up, she shame you.
But although I
Yes,
like
I
she,
black.
but you know if you're going to still.
But me did like you.
You did like me?
Yeah. I'll wait.
I say you go more, but you see me? Maybe in our next lifetime.
Oh, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her 5 still. But you know?
Or 5 out of 10?
Go on.
Alright. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Christine, same though, like dark females, but he's okay.
Okay, how much should I rate him?
7.
Based on her appearance?
She nice, man. She nice. Like give her an 8. She nice. She nice.
8 out of 10.
She just want bleach and my mother run with her. You know?
Bleach?
Yeah, should I get white?
So you really like white?
Oh God, come on, can I tell you?
Alright, every female walk with grace, woman, please. Without a balloon. Alright, come to this side, come down. Alright, my G, you been from your father in, you been a say them complexion. What you want to do?
I'm not lie.
Because
I'm not lie. I'm not lie. Like check boss, more be like beer. You can't have it to them. Can't be like beer.
yo, so a man just come in here and ask about 2 people right now. No, it up to them. Like me can't choose. Like it up to you guys.
Good night.
But you don't know nothing about them.
No. Good night.
Good night. So,
I'm Kenzie. I'm from Portland.
I'm Laura. I'm from Italy, from Venice.
Venice.
Yeah.
I would love to visit Venice with you
Yeah.
guys. You know what I mean? Like you guys don't want to come to Venice? You want a Jamaican friend? Like,
Yeah, maybe.
why not? So you guys want to match with me? You know?
Why not?
I mean, I like him because he's always smiling. So, why not?
Huh?
I like the t-shirt.
I like everything about you guys.
Oh, so,
Like,
oh, s-
I can go on all night about you guys.
so is it that you really want to have this a match? Like you both, for real? A real thing?
I think we can give him a chance.
Definitely yes.
Yo. So,
I think we might. Like, okay, yeah.
all right. So is this a match?
Yes.
So you wanna skip all the question and everything? You wanna match?
Yes.
All right. Is this a match for you?
Yes.
Is it a match for you?
Yes.
Is it a match for you, Muji?
Bro, I'm gonna tell you. I them kind of proof. Me say from my own, me tell you I'm not did no black girl. Them girl here, me I did. Me, Italian. I'm going to Venice, fam. I'm going to Venice. Oh, you know so.
All right then. All right, watch out now. It's a match. So It's a match for you, right?
Yes, it's a match.
So we have a match. All right. So in this episode, though, I'm gonna ask you before you walk off. Will you rather to risk it all and walk out of here rich with up to 100,000, or you wanna walk off with your match?
No, I'm going with my match.
You going with your match?
Yeah.
What about you?
You better know.
I think I can do the same.
Go with your match?
Yes.
2 on one time.
Yes. Yeah, let's go.
So we,
Smiling, yes. Why
what the fuck? How are this? How fuss? Yo! Portland man, them bad. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, we're making love out there. Oh gosh, no, I can't say the first me I see that, but like me never expect it. A Portland man with a the man them full of craft. Yo, watching people them from Portland. Mama know, like me don't know. I saw the deal on the thing. Like I saw the mad. Yo, send in the next meal for me now. Bring him in. Come to this side. Come to this side. Please wait until him reach right here, sir. Please. Come to this side, MG. Right here, sir. Whoa. Wait until him reach right here, sir, please. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, good night. My name is Shepherd.
Shepherd, and what type of job you do?
Farming.
Farming. All right. And what's your type?
One orange.
It's too specific.
I'm not here.
One orange like.
Okay. All right. All right, my G. All right. Oh. We got some pops. So I'll find out why them pop the ballon, okay? Who you want to start with first? My G? I'm not here.
I'm shame.
You good?
I'm good, man. My friend. What really happened?
All right, come to the side. Come. Oh, hold on, my G. Let's start right this and go down the line, yeah? Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Momo Universe, pop the balloon. Me not like man we shine them head so.
Is that a problem? My father. Take from my father IG.
Oh, I understand, but I don't like it. Move along, please.
All right, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
1.
1?
Mm-hmm. I'm not talking for your old man.
All right, based on fair appearance, what do you think about it?
Well, I work with her.
I work with her. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though? Based on her appearance.
I'm here, them, so.
1.
Huh?
1.
And I reckon what you give me 1, make it make sense.
Give her 90 out of 100.
Frank.
90 out of 100.
Move along, you never mind I one.
All right, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon? Come down to this side, Maji. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One and only body rider, and he was too specific.
What your name?
Rider.
Who?
One and only body rider.
Why you pop your balloon?
Like, I mean, uncle, you can't company show something too specific. If you work with who I work with, you see it there. You don't go home with nothing.
I'm never really plan for this, my friend.
And that's it. You shouldn't be so specific.
Yeah, plan for
You
this.
should work with who I work with. You come and keep my balloon.
All right, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
All right, uncle. -0. Uncle too specific, and uncle come in and slippers in plaid shirt with in the you should have work with me. I'm that rude for you.
What you like about him? Why you that wrote for him?
Well, he look like him, body tall like him.
Huh? Not right here, sir. Please, not right here, sir. Not right here, sir.
We can't show you, you know.
Alright. So, based on fair appearance, how much should I rate him, G? Use up the mic here.
Well, yeah, man, it's the right fit to me, you know.
And you got to orange. And you choose orange.
No, man.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
100.
All right, big body. Later we talk what's up.
Alright, come to this side, my G. Alright, just use up the mic here. Alright, your name, why you pop your balloon?
Shanika. Him coulda do look better for company show and come out again when me I say I not really judge him still. I find fit. I not judge the dog still. But Uncle Wilbert coulda do better still all walk what. Me not judge a fit nor no. Big yeah 4 out of 10. Uncle Wilbert.
Your name Uncle Wilbert?
Shepherd.
Uncle Wilbert. Me I give you 4.5. You're humble thing, but you're not my type, is it? You could have been my grandfather still. Me not style Uncle Wilbert. Nice meeting you, Uncle Wilbert. Alright, Shepherd.
You get how much out of 10?
I'm a plant can get right now. My plant.
Where's the
I have planting on my farm right now.
You have planting for your farm?
Yeah.
Me do farming too. Me have a greenhouse. Me have pepper, me have cabbage, me have everything. And me a plant corn, and me no want to plant, me no short of that.
No.
Thanks anyways, yeah.
Alright.
It's good still.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Chrissy,
Let me get some volume.
Chrissy, him could have just little better my tone and do, but me not like him foot dirty too. And him shirt dirty.
No, my G, come here. Where him gone?
The girl is not gonna be honest.
Yeah, we honest with him.
Where him just gone?
Balloon, please.
Send in the next man, Z.
Huh?
Send in the next man. We just have the...
Send in the... Huh?
Man, you come look when I run no
No,
joke.
you really look old for you. See for old man.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Remember, Mirage Studio, people, we're there right now or late now. I don't know how me I can go on my yard can bus now run. But Mirage Studio, I probably can't sleep here. Make sure you follow him Instagram page and make sure you just come full up the studio, come book him. You see it? His number can be in the description. Call him and say, yo, I really 12 o'clock early there at your studio for? Let me send you a coffee money. Do that, yeah? Give me a hug. I can't get a hug? I feel sad. You know, say my arm sweaty though. I still can't hug you? Alright, come in. Love and love alone. Hear that? Bring in the next meal for me now. Come to this side. Wait until him reach us, sir. Please. Wait until him reach right here, sir. Please. Come right here, Samji. Introduce yourself.
Good night. I am Chedi.
Okay, Chedi.
Yeah. On the socials, Chedi Music, Vivo, YouTube, Chedi Music, you know? I have a new EP forward out next month, Spiritual Realm. My body support it and look out forward for it, you know?
Artist.
Yeah.
That type of work you do. And what's your type?
Well, I'm not really on a type, you know? Me.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're not on a type and...
About work with the artwork, you know?
Yeah, art you go with.
Mind work.
Okay. And when it comes down to a female, what irritates you the most when them do it?
Alright. What would I say, you know? Lack of attention and them things there, you know?
Like you...
Like she not give me that.
Oh, you're not like that.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So then thing there irritate the brain. You know?
Okay, you like time and thing.
Yeah.
Alright, some female pop the balloon. We're gonna find out why them pop.
Alright.
Let's go. Alright. We'll start with you, sir. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Momo Universe, I pop the balloon because he's definitely not my type of nigga to date.
Okay, he's not your type.
Alright, we understand that. I don't have no problem with that.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
She?
No,
Yeah.
no, she gotta rate you. How much did I rate him?
Honestly, from 1 to 10, I give him 9 because him look nice. Clocks and all these things. Watch this, so back, boop. Burp, pull up. Boy, I have any name pan it. Oh, give him
Yeah.
9, man. I give him 9.
I'm gonna give you 9.5, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, my G. Come on to this side. Your name, why you pop? Your balloon?
Shanika, him already have a match. Him match on a bright so. See him match here. Yeah. Him have a match for
She
real.
know what going. How she know that? Tell the camera where you know that and tell the roller you know that.
Ratted.
Them married, them all go in a bathroom and something earlier and rolly. Oh God.
Yeah, go in a people bathroom. Alright,
Man,
so.
you never see that, you know, so you can't believe it.
Alright.
But the fox.
Alright.
Allah. Me and friends on him.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
6.5.
6.5.
Yeah.
What do you think about her?
She alright, man. She look nice and thing. I give her 7.5.
Thanks.
Yeah. Me and somebody if you go on zero and them thing, you know?
Thanks.
I'm a very nice person, yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Coming to this side. Your name and why you pop a balloon and you kept it, you know?
One and only body. Rider. I'ma pop the balloon because he already have a type, a match. At that. That's the only reason.
See something you like?
You have a hair pants, man.
Him having my pants. I don't want to embarrass myself on national TV. Make him work with him, I work with.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
6 feet clocks.
So I'm clocks alone, I
3
like.
feet
I'm
pants.
second time I wear my clocks, you know. You have to give me more than that for my clocks, you know. The first time I wear my clocks, I know my music video when I ever drop it, you know.
Yeah, what drop it?
This come
2
from,
feet
you know how far this
clocks,
come from, mama.
4 feet pants, and 1 feet shirt.
So how much that?
4, 2,
Add it up.
7, 4 and 3.
Alright then. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
John was star. I give her 6.5, you know.
6.5.
Cause she a deal with me hard, yeah, man.
Alright then. Come down to this
No
side.
hard feelings.
Female without a balloon. Walk with grace woman, please. Come on to this side, mama. Alright, my G. I don't know what I mean, but I don't know what kind of bathroom incident, but
In a bathroom.
I don't, him walking on the I don't want him walking on the bathroom. Alright. Keep it outside, please. Alright, so tell me now, what's the question that you want to ask him to get to know him?
No, ask him a question.
You know, ask him the question?
Nope.
You want to ask her any question to get to know her?
Yeah, but I don't feel like more ask her at this point.
What you mean?
Alright.
Me fast.
Me ask her some of them. Me you should ask somebody one question. You can cook?
Yes, I can.
Oh, good. From 1 to 10.
9. My brother is a chef, so he teach me.
Alright. She good with me.
And you don't have no question for him?
Nope.
Cool. Is this a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yep.
Are you not asking the question?
I'm not asking a question.
Alright. Is this a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match?
Yeah, man, it's a match.
It's a match?
Yep.
So we have a match? So we have a match? What the rotten? Yo, we. In this episode, I have to ask a female to find out if she rather money over love. You see? So I'm gonna ask you: are you willing to risk it all, get rich today? What? 100,000, you know?
I don't care.
Balloon. What? 100,000, you know?
I don't care.
So you want walk away with your match?
Yeah.
It's a match, people. Walk away. Walk with grace, woman. Yo, comment below if you think she got choose the money. Like, yo, she not even asking my question. God denied. Father God. Watch and make sure me get 10,000 likes, people. Cause rain a fall and me know me not gonna get taxing right now. Make sure to leave a like. Subscribe below. You see? Send in the next. Una ready for the next meal? No. Una sleep on my hand. So ease up off of my hand. Please. Una ready for the next meal? Una ready for the next meal? You know? Alright then. Send in the next meal for me now. Come to this side. Come to this side, Maji.
Good. Yes.
Right, sir. Introduce yourself.
Bloody hell. Bloody hell.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Jamar Grant.
What type of job you do?
I'm a farmer, that's all.
Farmer.
Yeah.
Alright. And what's your type?
My type, man, is... Yeah, look strong, healthy. Have a good job, see me and thing.
Oh, you like a healthy girl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a good job, and so.
Okay. What's one thing that irritates you most when a female do it?
What irritates me more when they like chat and then something like that. But more than that.
When them like talk.
Yeah, when they like talk, I don't like it.
So you not like a female that talk?
Yeah, no.
So she just for quiet?
Yeah, anything I say, she says to me. That is it, man.
Alright then. Shout out to social.
I don't know. You can look for me on IMR_official on TikTok, you see me. And they see me on Instagram, CMIMR_official.
Alright then. Come, we'll start find out why she popped the balloon, okay?
Yeah, alright.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Momo Universe here, I pop the balloon because I don't like man when I like wear them size, them right size. You foot back all time, slippers, don't bother push it up.
Foot back for catch off, for that time, I say.
I don't like the fact same now wear them size, that slippers very small.
I'm push it, alright, man, I'm a ton. No, man, my foot down on my slippers.
Oh, same slippers too big?
Slippers are 6 and his foot look like 9.
Are your brother slippers?
I tell me, say, no, sir. No, sir. Nothing like that, man, you see me? Yeah, man, I me get a one purchase, you see me?
Eh?
I me get a one purchase because I say, you look mad, you see me?
When it comes small?
Yeah. Just take it to see me, you see me? Because them ain't really sell in the market and then thing, you see me?
Any size they get a take?
Yeah, you see me? But that's what that one I can, you see me? I know what things said.
Yeah. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
1. I like man who wear them size. You understand?
Alright, baseman, fair appearance, Maji. How much did I rate it?
But I rate the body there from 100 got to 1,000,000, you know? Tell you what the body them.
Alright, body.
Well, thank you so much.
Rate again, but rate again.
You don't say 100. Move along now.
Alright, move along.
Alright, come down to this side.
Not easy.
Come down.
Go down to this side.
Come down to this side. Give guidance on Maji. Yeah. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Shanika.
Yeah.
Nah, judge the dog.
Come down, man.
But now I go judge the dog still. The dog look like him by pants on a Linda.
Don't do that. Don't say that.
Who name Linda?
No, don't get the Chinese man. Don't a tone. Your shirt now look like a yellow brother shirt. Man, nah, this no capping.
I'm look better shirt, man. Catch me this one.
You catch you?
Yeah.
You look brother how much?
I look better about 5.
And you take him shirt out and wear it. So how you fit in that?
I fit me.
You fit ya?
Mm-hmm.
You can hold a 2 and go on still.
2 out of 10?
Yeah, 2 really.
So that then.
Yeah, talk too long. Take a 1.
Alright, so she drop it, boy.
Alright, based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
Why, look like say. I don't know if it's about that one. I don't know if it's say. You have a man already, so you know.
What you say?
You have your man already.
What you say?
You have the man already, so me know.
Yeah. You say ring pa my finger and a ring the pa your finger. You say ring pa none of them, yeah?
Let me tell you.
Him have a match, make him go on, him attack too long, give him a 0 rolly. Go on.
Alright then, come down to this side, Maji. Every female without a balloon, or could grace from them, please.
No, man, no move, man. Come down. Oh, no, man. No, come down, man.
Alright. Come down to this side. Good life. Alright. So, first of all, you can ask him a question and get to know him, and you can ask her a question. Who want to go first?
I don't have a question.
You have a question for him? No.
Ask me if I go walk with the money.
Eh?
You gotta ask me about the 100,000.
I don't know if I ask you. 100,000 you worry about?
Love my boobs, man.
Oh, are your boobs?
Ooh. God. Oh, God.
Alright, come on this side.
Oh, God.
Alright, so.
Yeah.
Any question for her?
What I mean, man?
What's the question for her?
Question for her is, baby, I love you. I treat this body right, and I shall stay all the time. You hear that? Me make sure you eat. If you can't cook, I mean, you say you can't cook, so me cook for you. Me do everything for you. Me understand. You see me? I know you can do a little thing them already. What you say? So I believe you.
Right, babes.
That's your question?
Yeah, man. That's my question, man.
You make a statement. All
Make
right,
a statement, but use your question. Question say end up on my slippers.
Alright then. Alright, so what more I know? Is there any more question you want to ask him to get to know him?
Say my boobs, man.
Alright, so we want to find out. I'm gonna ask the question right now. Is this a match for you?
It's a match.
Eh? It's a match for you?
It's a match.
It's a match?
It's a match.
It's a match for you?
It's a match.
Is it a match for you? Is it a match for you?
The 100,000.
Eh?
The 100,000.
You can't just get 100,000 if it's not a match, lady. You know?
Match, yeah, my boobs.
100,000.
It's a match. It's a match for you?
100,000.
Alright, so it's a match, you know. We have a match?
I'm a match, me not give with my baby if you know your man.
Alright then. So I'm gonna ask you in this episode.
And that.
Yeah, man. I love him.
Big body, what's up?
Alright, what I'm gonna ask you right now, I'm gonna ask you a simple question. Huh?
I'm a babes.
I'm gonna ask you right now. In this season 2, I'm gonna ask you, are you willing to choose money over love? So I'm gonna we don't ask you. Are you willing to choose money over love? You have the choice to choose right now. If you choose money, you get the chance to win up to 100,000. And if you choose love, you walk out with him right now with your match.
Me see you next time.
Eh? Where is?
Wait, that when you
No,
babe, stop now.
Alright. Make you do your badness. Go on. How you gonna do it?
You're so fugitive.
Wait, na babes. Give me the dollar.
What do you want to do?
Give me the dollar.
You want to risk it all?
Rolly, give me the dollar.
You want to risk it all?
You say give me the.
Alright then. She's gonna risk it all. She's gonna risk it all right now. You see it? Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the balloon them on the ground. You see me? Because me know the last time through the balloon they there close to me. I feel like say that's why I should pick it. She feel like. Alright, so you have the choice right now to choose a balloon. Wait, Mama tell her.
Nah, give it no babes. Wait, now prank. Me just gonna do like me and take up here. Me not take up here. Yeah, me.
Alright then. What you're gonna do right now, you're gonna choose a balloon because you say you want to choose money over love, right? You're gonna pick a balloon and we're gonna see if you're gonna win the 100,000. Which balloon will it be?
Say now walk off. I go stand up with the shame.
No.
Enough.
He must stay. That's the balloon? Alright.
100,000. Can we now?
Well, you pick that balloon there. You pick the balloon. So we're gonna pop it and see what's inside, okay?
Babes, me that gambling love. Wait, now if me not pick your nose. $1,000. $1,000. Yeah, me soft fans. You?
Miss have 2-0. So today you win $1,000.
Don't know money.
You win $1,000 today.
100,000 only. Love, no love, 100,000.
No, me say up to 100,000, you're gonna risk it all. So it's not just 100,000 I got there, right? So you risk it all and choose money.
Give me back my babes.
Eh?
Give me back my babes.
You cannot get back your babes. You're gonna get $1,000. Give me $1,000 for me now. Make sure win it on camera right now. We're not cap, yeah? We're not capping. All right, this is for you. This is for you. No, this is not a match, you know. This is not a match. You choose money over love. My G, what you have to say about that before we go?
I can't believe some money really choose money over me, you know, bro. Dead there, you know. Dead there, man. If she would just believe in me still, she would just spit me and nobody picking money. But I see it, but that's so good, isn't it?
All right, my G. Walk with grace for me now. Sorry about that. Walk with grace. All right, so today you win $1,000. Walk with grace. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Hey, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, send Vincy. Me there, you know? Trinidad. Me there, you know? CA. Me don't know. I just want to see snow. You know, I want to see snow. You know? So, England, if you feel the need to make really so easy, in London, you know? Call me, meet me anytime you need me. All right, send in the next mail for me now. All right, Una ready? Come, Una can go over to the, Una switch up on yourself door. You got it. All right, well, I switch to there. All right, send him in. Una have a cough. Come to this side. Right to some G. Right to sir. Introduce yourself.
Name is Tajay. Can me speak first, please? Name is Tajay. You can find me on TikTok, you know, Tajay Jolly for IG Tajay Jolly, Roy Tajay Jolly, man. You see? Just
all right.
Normal, man.
And what type of work you do?
No, the construction, I also do farming, you know. Raise animal and crops, you know. You want goat, cow, anything you want, man, you just check me, man. You want rabbit for buy, you want fowl, anything, man, you just check me. You want corn, you want yam, you want
You have a farm. You have a farm.
You want me have a farm, man.
Me get it. Me see it. Can't see it, man. All right then. So, what's your type though?
Well, normal my type is, you know, prefer them thick but not too thick, you know, slim.
Not too slim.
Not too slim, not too dark, not too light, you know, in between.
Oh gosh. Farmer Brown.
Him not have a type.
Why guess that now?
Alright, my G, we have to go find out why she pop the balloon, okay?
No, I never say me not like that.
Hold on. Why you pop your balloon? What's your name?
My name is Shanika. Him not like dark skin. And him not my type. One, you listen. Alright, me ready now. One, him ear lean, gone so. Like when volcano blow or whatever you get what me I say. Yeah. Him a wearing them. Ring them a chain and so. I'm not judging. Then again, him could have pull up him pants because we don't want to see what him wear under this so. I don't know if him have an underpants or whatever because him wear shorts with underpants really. Yeah. So him can hold a two. Yeah.
Okay, so you not like him attire.
No.
I give him 2 out of 10?
Yeah, him not my time.
So if him approach your outer road and him pants up, what you think about that?
No, same way.
So him have to change him hairstyle?
Him not my type. No.
Based on her appearance, what you think about her?
Well, I really enjoy this still, you know. Yeah, look, we don't judge for truth, you know, because right now, I couldn't give you a half still. Couldn't get the full one, but I couldn't get a half, you see it?
If you're tough.
Yeah, man, tough and nice and nice, I see it, but you can't see because you're not my type, you see?
You're not my type, you could have never be my type, baby. Walk with grace.
When I'm talking, you don't
walk with grace. You could have never be my type.
Me have walk with grace, but me grace
walk
go
with grace. Me the grace go with you.
All right, the last time somebody said walk with grace, please the mic, please. Please control it. Control it, people. Calm down. I know. Once me hear somebody say walk with grace, the mic is going to fling. Nobody fling your mic today. You know why you pop the balloon?
Pop the balloon because he's not my type. But nothing wrong with him outfits. Him can dress. The fact that him have on a red kickers and him know say if he put on a red jacket, I go give him a 10. Him can dress. Yeah, him don't look no way.
We match it up for you.
And the farming no sound bad.
You like a farmer, Jack? You like a farmer, Jack?
Depends.
Alright, so you give him a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, because as me say, nothing wrong with the boy dressing. It's okay for me.
No, man, you know, when I start, man, I respect your 10 to you, because I give you a 10, because you look good and everything, but that's me can't manage you, know, so me don't really pick a skill as me type, you know, because I can't manage you, know. Yeah, man, you do construction, but I never live nothing so heavy. Yeah. But I get what you say still, and I get what you come off, because see your friend Maki, I see she get miserable, I start saying not too like, nothing too thick or nothing too maga. So I realize that when you fox can get a grape, you know what go on and wait still, but I have hundreds in my back pocket for you said so after I show me
you feel bad because you're upset with me. Period.
No,
Alright, so basically you say you can't manage her because you don't lift up that type of cement, yeah?
No, I don't lift up any type of weight, man. Type of weight. I lift up all type of weight, but nothing's never so thick yet, you know.
Heavier than a cement.
Not really say heavier than a cement, man, but a straight back as you know. Yeah, man.
What you say?
Me nah know, he must say what him say. Straight backers.
Yeah, man.
What that you say?
You can't show your foot on your shoulder, I'm smoke can go on, you know what I mean? Otherwise, lift up part now going to work. Now you jack a master, that's it.
Well, as me say, him dress nice. Me not have a problem with how him look. But he's not my type.
Alright then. It's
Walk with grace, man. Alright.
Yeah.
Take care.
Walk with grace. Torberg? What do you mean Torberg?
Alright, Wilbert, brother.
Alright, so people, I want to say it's the end of the video. I want to thank everybody who followed out, who they here and show the love. Wow, I want to make this small thing become something great. So I want to thank you. You see me? I want to sister the mic did mash up and I want to get it back. I want to see how audio work. We get a new camera, live bass, and I hurt him. So if I could get a what that's something name again? Stabilizer. You see it? Me appreciate you there from the start and we are grow. Like thank you for being with me and just give me my buckle. You see me? I'm gonna roll over and just chop a sleep and thing. And wait me upon. Yeah, like a baby and thing, you see me? Yeah. Make sure to keep safe. Love and love alone. God in night like all the time. Make sure to subscribe. 300,000 subscriber in a minute. God in night, chips.
Got this banana chips for you. No, for you. This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Roll to 200K. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.